In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text to the top of a page in Google Docs. This is a quick and easy way to enhance the presentation of your documents, especially if you're working on something like a letter, a resume, or a report that needs that neat professional look right from the very start of the page. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to adjust the formatting in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your Google Docs document open. If you haven't yet created your document, you might want to pause the video and get that ready before continuing. Once you're in your document, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here, you're going to look for the File option. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu containing several options. Among these, you'll need to spot and select Page Setup. This is where the magic begins. Now that the Page Setup dialog box has appeared, you'll see several sections within it. One of these sections is labeled Margins. Margins are the blank spaces around the edges of the page, and by default, Google Docs applies a standard margin size. To move your text to the very top of the page, you'll want to focus specifically on the top margin. In its current state, it might show a typical default value like 1 inch. Your task here is to change this top margin value to 0. This adjustment tells Google Docs to start your text closer to the top edge of the page, effectively eliminating the standard blank space above it. Once you've made this change, it's almost time to see it in action. But before that, make sure your document looks the way you want it to. A quick review is always a good idea. After ensuring everything is set, you're ready for the final step, applying these changes. Look for the OK button located at the bottom of the Page Setup dialog box and give it a click. The dialog box will close, and any text in your document should now align perfectly at the top of the page as per your new settings. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've effectively adjusted the top margin, giving your document that clean, polished appearance. Remember, these steps can be repeated anytime you need to adjust the margins for other documents in Google Docs. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't hesitate to check back for more useful tips and tricks. Happy typing!